Bushnell Golf brings you the best of its best with the new Pro X2. This laser rangefinder has everything the avid golfer wants, putting unprecedented performance in the palm of your hand. Last year, the USGA revised a rule to allow measuring devices with slope if the slope feature was disabled during tournament play. The Pro X2 has Bushnell's new slope switch technology. This allows the golfer to easily toggle in and out of Bushnell's patented slope function. Now you have a laser rangefinder with Bushnell's slope technology for any circumstance. In addition to the slope switch technology, the Pro X2 is loaded with features. One of my favorite features on the Pro X2 is dual display technology. Dual display technology allows the golfer to choose between a bright red display and a crisp black display based on lighting conditions and user preference. Next incredible feature on the Pro X2 is Jolt technology. Jolt technology allows the user to confirm that they've acquired their target by giving them 2 vibrating bursts in the laser when you lock onto the flag. You actually feel the laser vibrate in your hand. It gives you the confidence to know you've locked onto your target. The Pro X2 has outstanding ranging capabilities, easily hitting flags at over 400 yards. The Pro X2 has advanced ergonomics, so it feels great in your hand. Plus, it's got a rubber-coated metal housing, so it's really durable, and it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. Slope switch technology, dual display, and Jolt means lightning fast speed and unrivaled precision. The Pro X2, golf's most advanced laser rangefinder in the world.
Wanted the cool new car technology, like backup sensors on your car? Today, a new company named Inventions brings you the first wireless app-based backup system for any car. Enjoy hands-free audio, visual, and vibration alerts direct to your smartphone when an object is detected behind your car. It's simple, affordable, and easy to use. Let's make parking safe and simple. Points are wearable devices that alleviate stress in as few as 30 seconds.
Dyno Equipment is a company that specializes in creating camera accessories for small camera users.
This is GarageIt. It's an open source garage door controller.
Tersa Steam is a wall-mounted 10-minute clothing care system.
Every time an entrepreneur comes to me and asks for advice as a startup, how can I be successful? I always recommend crowdfund, and not only that, crowdfund with Indiegogo.
We loved Indiegogo because they seemed really focused on helping smaller companies like us, especially within hardware, because of their partnership with Arrow.
We were able to go from 2 college kids with an idea to now having a company that's ready to ship.
The Arrow certification program was one of the main reasons we actually chose Indiegogo, and we got to work with them right away.
The process was really painless.
It doesn't require a lot of time, and there's nothing but the upside.
They're able to step in, help you with any manufacturing issues you may have, engineering questions, and really take that product from just a successfully funded campaign to an actual delivered product.
We still had an Arduino programming device in our prototype, and they helped us not only find the permanent solution, but also helped us find a really cost-effective one that we had no idea was on the market until we worked with Arrow.
Arrow has been phenomenal every step of the way. They work hand in hand with our engineering team, and anytime we have issues, they're on the phone with us right away working things out.
And also there are discounts for the components, and there's a flash fund and other benefits there too.
Arrow gives products and companies that they truly believe
in, the opportunity to use flash funding to help grow their company. Touchpoints was one of just a handful of companies that was given this prestigious honor. We are absolutely grateful for that opportunity.
The AROS badge of certification really gives the buyer a lot of confidence in the product because you have a team of highly skilled engineers from a multi-billion-dollar company that are assessing your designs and giving it proof and validity. People really look for the AROS certified technology when they're looking at campaigns because seeing that AROS certified technology badge really gives the backer a lot of confidence in the product.
The unique relationship between Indiegogo and Arrow really helps you to feel very well-rounded when you're taking a product and going it to market.